Imagine buying one of Google's newest smartwatches for far less than its original price. That's exactly what's happening with the Google Pixel Watch 4 during Amazon Prime Day. Discounts like this don't happen very often, and it's making a lot of Android users wonder whether now is finally the right time to upgrade. But before you rush to place your order, there's one important question. Is the Pixel Watch 4 actually worth buying, or is this simply another smartwatch that's getting attention because of a temporary discount? Stick around, because by the end of this review you'll know exactly whether this smartwatch deserves a place on your wrist. The first thing you'll notice about the Pixel Watch 4 is its design. Google clearly believes it already had a winning formula, so instead of completely redesigning the watch, it focused on making small improvements. The smooth circular display blends beautifully into the curved glass, creating one of the cleanest smartwatch designs on the market. Unlike many watches that look bulky or overly sporty, the Pixel Watch 4 feels elegant enough for business meetings while still looking perfectly at home during workouts or casual weekends. Whether you choose the smaller or larger size, the watch feels lightweight and comfortable enough to wear all day without becoming annoying on your wrist. The build quality is another highlight. The aluminum body feels solid, while the curved Gorilla Glass protects the display from everyday scratches and bumps. It also comes with IP68 dust and water resistance along with a 5 ATM rating, meaning you don't have to panic if you're caught in heavy rain or decide to wear it while swimming. It's designed to survive real life rather than requiring constant protection. Now let's talk about one of the biggest upgrades, the display. Google has equipped the Pixel Watch 4 with a brighter Actua display capable of reaching an impressive 3000 nits of brightness. That number may sound technical, but in everyday use it makes a huge difference. Outdoor visibility is excellent, even under bright sunlight. Notifications remain easy to read, maps stay clear during navigation, and fitness stats are visible during outdoor activities. The colors are vibrant, blacks are deep thanks to the OLED panel, and animations appear incredibly smooth. Every interaction feels modern and premium. Performance is another area where the Pixel Watch 4 continues to impress. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 processor, paired with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, the watch feels fast almost everywhere. Swiping through menus is smooth. Notifications appear instantly. Apps launch quickly, and multitasking rarely causes any slowdown. Google has clearly optimized Wear OS to take full advantage of the hardware. While you may occasionally notice a slight pause when opening larger apps for the very first time, those moments are rare enough that they never become frustrating. One feature many users will appreciate is the improved charging system. Google has redesigned the charging dock with new side charging contacts that make charging faster and more convenient. In just around 15 minutes, you can recover roughly half the battery, which is perfect for people who often forget to charge their smartwatch overnight. Even a short charging session before leaving home can provide enough battery for most of the day. Small improvements like this make daily use much more enjoyable. Of course, no smartwatch review would be complete without discussing battery life. This is probably the biggest question many buyers have. The Pixel Watch 4 performs well, but it doesn't completely dominate the competition. Most users can comfortably get through a full day, including workouts, notifications, sleep tracking, and GPS usage. Lighter users may even reach the second day before needing another charge. However, if you're someone who spends hours tracking outdoor activities every day, you'll still find watches from Garmin or Amazfit lasting much longer. Thankfully, Google's much faster charging helps reduce this weakness because topping up the battery is now quick and convenient. Health tracking has become one of the biggest reasons people buy smartwatches, and Google continues to build on its Fitbit partnership. The Pixel Watch 4 offers continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, activity tracking, stress monitoring, blood oxygen measurements in supported regions, workout detection, and detailed daily health reports. The heart rate sensor remains highly accurate during walking, running, cycling, and gym workouts. Sleep tracking also provides useful insights into sleep stages, recovery, and overall rest quality, making it valuable for anyone trying to improve their health habits. Fitness enthusiasts will also appreciate the wide range of supported exercise modes. Whether you're running, cycling, hiking, swimming, strength training, or simply walking around the neighborhood, the watch records detailed workout data. Dual-band GPS improves location accuracy, helping produce cleaner route tracking compared to older models. For runners and cyclists especially, this creates a much more reliable experience. Google has also packed the watch with impressive connectivity features. Bluetooth 6.0 provides stable wireless connections while using headphones or syncing with your smartphone. NFC allows quick contactless payments through Google Wallet. Ultra-wideband support improves device finding capabilities. Optional LTE models let you leave your phone at home while still making calls, sending messages, streaming music, and receiving notifications. Satellite SOS support adds another layer of safety for outdoor adventures in supported locations. Software is where the Pixel Watch 4 truly separates itself from many competitors. Running Wear OS 7, everything feels polished, intuitive, and deeply connected with Google's ecosystem. Gmail, Calendar, Maps, Google Assistant, Wallet, and many other services work naturally together. If you already own a Pixel phone or another Android device, the experience feels seamless. Notifications synchronize perfectly, voice commands are reliable, and smart replies save time throughout the day. One of the newest additions is Gemini AI integration. Instead of simply responding to basic voice commands, Gemini makes conversations feel much more natural. You can ask more complex questions, request summaries, create reminders, or perform multiple actions without repeating yourself. While this technology is still improving, it gives the Pixel Watch 4 a glimpse into the future of AI-powered wearable devices. Despite all these strengths, the Pixel Watch 4 isn't perfect. Some advanced health insights remain locked behind Google's premium subscription service. While the basic health features are excellent, users hoping to unlock every available report and analysis may need to pay an additional monthly fee. This won't bother everyone, but it's something potential buyers should know before making a purchase. Another small criticism involves battery life compared to certain rivals. Although it's good enough for everyday use, competitors focused purely on fitness can still last several days or even weeks between charges. If your number one priority is maximum battery endurance, there are stronger options available. So why has the Pixel Watch 4 suddenly become one of the hottest smartwatches to buy? The answer is simple: price. Amazon Prime Day has pushed the Pixel Watch 4 down to one of its lowest prices ever. A smartwatch that already competed with the best premium Android wearables has suddenly become much easier to recommend because buyers can now save a significant amount of money. Instead of paying full retail price, you're getting flagship hardware, Google's latest software, fast charging, excellent health tracking, and years of software support at a much better value. The biggest question now is whether you should buy it or wait for the Pixel Watch 5. The next generation will almost certainly introduce new features and hardware improvements. But it will also launch at full price. Unless you absolutely need the newest technology the moment it becomes available, the Pixel Watch 4 currently offers one of the best value for money opportunities we've seen from Google in a long time. After spending time looking at everything this smartwatch offers, it's easy to understand why it's receiving so much attention. It combines premium design, one of the brightest smartwatch displays available, smooth performance, excellent Google integration, accurate health tracking, useful AI features, fast charging, and reliable software support into a single package. Very few Android smartwatches manage to balance all these features this well. So, should you buy the Google Pixel Watch 4? If you're already using an Android phone and want one of the smartest, most polished smartwatches available today, the answer is yes, especially while the Prime Day discount is available. It may not completely dominate battery life, and some premium health features still require a subscription, but its overall experience is difficult to beat at this price. In the end, the Google Pixel Watch 4 proves that sometimes the best upgrade isn't the newest product, it's the product that offers the best balance between performance, features, software, and price. Thanks to this massive Prime Day deal, Google's flagship smartwatch has become one of the easiest recommendations for Android users in 2026. If you've been waiting for the perfect opportunity to upgrade your smartwatch, this might be the deal you've been waiting for.